half notes and half rests. We have 4/4 time signature, 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. Your first note here falls on beat 1. Your measure, for now, will always start on beat 1. It's held for 2 beats, so we do a -2, meaning that your rest has to come in on what beat? We know there has to be 4 total. We've used 2 here. Measure beats 3 and 4. But just like a quarter rest that had 1 beat of silence, your half rest also gets silence, but in this case, 2 beats. For example, it still gets those beats, but there is no sound coming out of my sizzle instrument right now. Let's mix it up. This next one will have 4 different elements, and it will be 4 measures long. Let's get ready. As I write, you can notice we are still in 4/4 time. That will change eventually, but for now, 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. Ingrain that in your brain. Let's start with a quarter note. And I'm going to flip my stems upside down. It's exactly the same, just a different way to read it. You will find notes will go both ways, and when we put them on the staff, it will make a little bit more of a difference of which way they go. But for now, just get used to seeing them go both ways. The rests, however, always look the same. Notes, stems can go different. Rests have to remain the same. Quarter rest got a little funky there. Bar line. Let's do another one. And my double bar line to indicate that it is over. It's a little lopsided. You're getting the true teacher experience right now. So let's find all of our notes, quarter notes and half notes. Can you find them? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Quarter note, that is a note. That is not. Quarter note, that is a note. That is not. That is a half note. That is also a half note. That is also a half note. That is not. That is a half rest. Half note. Quarter note. Everything with a check will have sound attached to it. Everything that is not checked will have a beat that is silently felt in your body. And I recommend when you're doing these to always tap a toe. You can't see my toe, but it's tapping, and I'm sort of bouncing my body so you can get that feeling. So let's erase this so we're not all confused. And let's write in our counts. We always start with 1. We have to get to 4 at some point. So here we go. This is beat 1, beat 2, but it's silent so it gets parentheses. Beat 3 and beat 4, silent, parentheses. This falls on beat 1 and is held through beat 2. After 2 comes, beat 3 and 4. 3 held through 4. We're back to 1, 2, and then we have a silent 3 and 4. Back to 1, 2, falls on beat 3, and our 4 here is going to be silent. So if this is my beat, 1, I will count my rhythm. Here I go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now with the counts, it can get a little weird because you still are saying the numbers. So I prefer the sizzle. And when I ask you to perform your rhythm, I'll always want you to sizzle. Here we go. That is how we put together quarter notes, quarter rests, half notes, and half rests.